Hi everyone, welcome to the class. In this class, let us learn how to factorize a quadratic polynomial type 4. Here type 4 means what? The polynomial which is in the form of ax square minus bx minus c. Here x quotient is minus b, constant also minus, both are negative. I categorized the polynomials into 4 types. The first type is ax square plus bx plus c. Here x quotient is positive and constant also positive. This is first type. Second type, constant is positive, quotient of x is negative. Third type, constant is negative, quotient of x is positive. Fourth type, constant is negative, quotient of x is negative. So we have studied how to factorize these 3 types in previous 3 videos. In this video, let us factorize this type of quadratic polynomials. For example, factorize x square minus x minus 6. X square minus x minus 6. So if we learn how to factorize these 4 types, this will be very beneficial because this is useful for class 8th, class 9th and class 10th also. In class 8th, 11th chapter is there, quadratic expressions. Class 9th, polynomials chapter is there. Class 10th also polynomials and quadratic equations. And this will come in so many chapters, this factorization. So let us start how to factorize. The same previous videos, we have to take coefficient of x square. Here coefficient of x square and coefficient of x, then constant is equal to 6. Here coefficient of x square, there is no number, so we have to take 1. Here no number, you have to take minus 1, minus symbol also. Here constant c is equal to 6. So multiply this x square coefficient and constant. Find product. So let us multiply 1 into 6, 1 into minus 6, 1 into minus 6. This is product. I have to multiply coefficient of x square with constant. Then we will get minus 6. This is negative number. So now write the factors of 6. One table, 1 into 6. Write 2 times each factor, 1 into 6, 1 into 6. Here negative is their product. So to become negative, you should keep negative minus symbol to the first number in this pair. In this pair, keep negative number to the second number. Negative symbol to the second factor. Here first factor, here second factor. Why? Because minus into plus, minus, plus into minus, minus. 1 into 6, 6. So minus 6 can be obtained by multiplying minus 1 into 6 or plus 1 into minus 6. Anyway, we can get. Now add these 2 numbers, minus 1 plus 6, by adding we get 5. What should we get here? Constant or coefficient of x square into constant, by got this one. We should get here minus 1. This is coefficient of x. We should get coefficient of x, that is minus 1. So by adding this 5, but we should get minus 1. So these are not useful to factorize. Then take this one, plus 1 minus 6, plus 1 minus 6. Add these 2 numbers. Plus 1 minus 6 means minus 5. Here you should get minus 1, but minus 5 is here. This is also not useful. Then divide minus 6 by 2. 2 3 are 6. Here write 2 times and keep minus symbol to the first number in this pair and second number to in this pair. minus into plus minus, plus into minus minus, 2 3 ja 6. Now add these two numbers, two factors, minus 2 plus 3 plus 1. Here this is plus 2 minus 3 minus 1. So what you have to get? Minus 1. By taking these two factors we will get minus 1. By adding these two we get minus 1. By multiplying these two we get product. By adding we get this one. By multiplying this one. So we have to select these factors. We may get some more factors, but here no need to find some more factors. We got our required numbers. So no need to continue. Otherwise you will continue. ఇక్కడ మీకు ఈ రెండు కలిపితే మీకు ఇది రావాలి, యాడ్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసింది -2 + 3 -1 వచ్చేసింది. సో ఇక్కడ మనకు ఆపేయచ్చు. లేకపోతే ఇంకా 3 టేబుల్, 4 టేబుల్, 5 టేబుల్, 6 టేబుల్, 9 టేబుల్ దాకా డివైడ్ చేసుకుంటూ పోవాలి. పోయి ఇక ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ రాసి వాటిని గుర్తులు చక్కగా పెట్టేసి, గుర్తులు పెట్టేటప్పుడు మొదటి వరుసలో మొదటి నెంబర్కి, రెండో వరుసలో రెండో నెంబర్కి పెట్టండి. ఇది మైనస్ ఇంటూ ప్లస్ మైనస్, ప్లస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ మైనస్ ఎట్లయినా సాధ్యమవుతుంది. కాబట్టి ఇది ఓకే. కానీ మనకు కావాల్సింది ఏది? ఇక్కడ -1 కావాలి. కాబట్టి ఈ రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేస్తే 5 వస్తుంది, ఈ రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేస్తే -5 వస్తుంది. ఈ రెండు కూడా మనకు అవసరం పడదు. ఇక్కడ ఈ రెండు యాడ్ చేస్తే 1 వస్తుంది, ఇవి రెండు యాడ్ చేస్తే -1 వస్తుంది. ఇవి అవసరం వస్తుంది. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు సెలెక్ట్ దీస్ టూ నెంబర్స్. సో హియర్ రైట్ హియర్ x² - x - 6. But write x² as it is and 6 also as it is, no change. But you have to write x as sum of two numbers, that means +2 - 3, not this, plus 2x minus 3x. You have to add x, keep x. By adding these two you will get -x, +2 - 3 -1 x. Now multiply +2 into -3, plus into minus minus, 2 3 ja 6. You have to write the x coefficient as sum of two numbers such that the product of the coefficients of x should be equal to product of x² coefficient and constant. ఇవి రెండు మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుందో ఇవి రెండు మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే కూడా అంతే రావాలి. అది కండిషన్. ప్లస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ మైనస్ 2 3 6 -6, ప్లస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ మైనస్ 1 into 6 -6. Now what is the common factor in these two terms? X is a common factor. Now find the other factors. Divide x² by x. We know x² by x means x into x. x² means x into x by x cancel. We get x as quotient. Plus here 2x by x cancel, we get 2 over. Now take common factor in these two terms. Here minus you have to take, this is divisible by 3, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. So 3 is the common factor. Now minus 3x by minus 3. Minus 3x by minus 3, minus by minus plus, 3 3 cancel, x. Minus 6 by minus 3. Minus 6 by minus 3, minus by minus plus, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. So take a common factor from these two numbers and divide the two numbers by this common factor. Write the quotient in the bracket. Here also take a common factor in these two terms. X is the common factor. Now divide these two terms by x. Write the quotient in the bracket. Now we got two products, x into x plus 2 minus 3 into x plus 2. Here x plus 2 is the common factor, looking same. So x plus 2 is the common factor. Again now write the remaining factor. X into x plus 2 divided by x plus 2. Whatever you have taken common factor, you have to divide the product by common factor. ఇక్కడ మనకి బ్రాకెట్లో x plus 2 కనిపిస్తుంది, కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఇది. ఈ ప్రోడక్ట్ని x plus 2 డివైడ్ చేయండి, చేస్తే x plus 2 క్యాన్సల్, x is the quotient. Now here minus 3 into x plus 2, divide x plus 2 by x plus 2, will get minus 3, like this, x into x plus 2 by x plus 2. You have to do all this in your imagination only. You get x. I wrote here x. Here minus 3 into x plus 2 divide by the common factor. So both get cancelled. We get minus 3. Right here minus 3. Now let us write the conclusion. X square plus x minus 6 can be written as x plus 2 into x plus 3. If you multiply these two linear polynomials, you will get the quadratic polynomial. So in this way we will factorize when the product is negative number and x quotient also negative number. If here plus is there, positive number is there, we select these two numbers, minus 2 plus 3 plus 1. Negative number is there, plus 2 minus 3 minus 1. If 5 is there, we have to select minus 1 plus 6. If minus 5 is there, you have to select minus 1 plus 6. In this way, if you write all these, you can select whatever it is, whatever the required numbers. Okay, let us solve one more problem to get more idea on this process. Now let us factorize 3x square minus 2x minus 8. Here also product of x square quotient and constant plus 3 into minus 8 minus 24. Product is negative and quotient of x also negative. Let us write here quotient of x square is 3, quotient of x is minus 2, constant is minus 8. Now multiply quotient of x square into constant. So 3 into minus 8, that is equal to minus 24. This is negative. Now here write the quotient of x. X, that is minus 2. This is product. This is quotient of x. 3 into 8 minus 24, the minus 2. Now minus 24, let us start the writing factors. 1 into 24, 1 2 is 2, 1 4 is 4. Write 2 times and assign minus symbol. The first number in the first pair, first number, second pair, second number. Minus symbols, because minus into plus minus, here plus into minus also minus. Add these numbers, minus 1 plus 24, here plus 1 minus 24. By adding these two numbers, we get 23. This is minus 23. But here we required minus 2 only. So these are not useful here. Then divide by 2 table. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Write 2 times and assign minus symbol. Keep minus symbol. First number in the first pair, first number, second pair, second number. Now add these two, minus 2 plus 12 plus 2 minus 12. Here minus 2 plus 12 means 10. This is minus 10, but no use here, not matched. Let us divide the 24 by 3. 3 8 is 24. So here write 2 times this one also. Keep minus symbol. First pair, first number, second pair, second number. So add these, minus 3 plus 8, 5 plus 3 minus 8 minus 5. But you should get minus 2 only. ఈ విధంగా మీరు చేసుకుంటూ పోతుండాలి మనకి వచ్చిందాక. ఒకవేళ మీకు ఓరల్గా చేయగలిగితే గాలిలో చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఓరల్గా ఇమాజినేషన్ తోటి. లేకపోతే ఇలా చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ 4 టేబుల్, 4 6 are 24. Write 2 times. First pair, second pair. First pair, first number minus, second pair, second number minus. So minus 4 plus 6 plus 4 minus 6. రెండు యాడ్ చేసి చూసుకోండి. మనకి మల్టిప్లై చేస్తేనేమో ఇది రావాలి, యాడ్ చేస్తే ఇది రావాలి. సో minus 4 plus 6 is plus 2. This is minus 2. So see here, here minus 2 is there, we got minus 2 here. If we didn't get minus 2, even though after these factorization you have to continue for next factors. So we got these two numbers such that the sum is minus 2 and product is minus 24. Plus into minus 4 6 are 24. Now factorize this one. 3x square minus 2x minus 20. 3 8 is 24. So don't change this x square coefficient and constant, but you have to write minus 2x as plus 4x minus 6x or plus 6x minus 4x. You can write any way. If you write any way, you will get the same answer at the end. So here what is the common factor? Here 3, here 4 is there. So it is a prime number, so there are composite number, no common factors. But it is a literal factor is common. X square, x into x, here is x. So x is the common factor. Now divide 3x square by x. We know how to divide. 3x square by x, x cancel, 3x is the quotient. Write here the quotient. Write the quotient here. Then 4x by x. 4x by x, we know x cancel, we get 4 plus 4 or minus 4, that is important. Here plus 4. Here write minus symbol as it is. This is divisible by 2, this is also divisible by 2. 2 is the common factor. 2 3s are 2 4s are. Now divide minus 6x by 2, 2 1s are 2 3s are. So minus 3x is the quotient. Right here 3x, no, minus 2 divided by minus 2, here minus symbol is there, divided by minus 2, minus minus cancel, we get 3x. Again minus 8 by minus 2, minus 8 by minus 2, minus by minus plus 2 4s are 8. 4 is the quotient plus 4. Symbols also important. Otherwise you can do here like this also, minus 6x by minus 2, minus by minus cancel, 2 1s are 2 3s are. Minus 8 by minus 2, minus minus cancel, 2 4s are, right here 4. Again 3x plus 4, 3x plus 4 is the common factor here. And another factor, what is another factor? Divide x into 3x plus 4 by 3x plus 4, both gets cancelled, you will get x as quotient. Here minus 2 into 3x plus 4 divided by 3x plus 4, 3x plus 4, 3x plus 4 cancel, you will get minus 2. This is another factor. Without dividing, you can write the answer. Just see here, 3x plus 4, 3x plus 4 is the common factor. Just close with your hands. Then remaining numbers are here x minus 2. Right here x minus 2. That is the another factor. If you multiply these two numbers, again you will get the 3x square minus 2x minus 8. So let us write the conclusion. 3x square minus 2x minus 8 can be written as 3x plus 4 into x minus 2. X minus 2. If you multiply these two linear expressions, algebraic expressions, you will get this quadratic expression, a quadratic polynomial. In this way you have to factorize. If you can do all these in your mind or imagination, no need to do all this. You can do directly. మీకు సొంతంగా చేయగలిగితే, ఇదంతా చేయకుండా చేయగలిగితే సొంతంగా చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇది చేయాలి రూల్ ఏం లేదు. జస్ట్ ఫర్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ ద బేసిక్ ప్రాసెస్ ఐ రోట్ హియర్. అంతేగాని కంపల్సరీ చేయాలని లేదు. కానీ బిగినర్స్కి ముందు ఫస్ట్ నేర్చుకునే వాళ్ళకి ఈ పద్ధతి ద్వారా నేర్చుకుంటే ఇక్కడ మన కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏందో అర్థమవుతుంది, తప్పులు పోకుండా ఉంటాయి. ఇదన్నమాట. అయితే దీనికి సంబంధించి నేను ఇక్కడ కొన్ని అసైన్మెంట్స్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. ఇవి మీరు ట్రై చేయండి. ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 2x మైనస్ 15. హియర్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఈజ్ మైనస్ నెగిటివ్ నెంబర్, ఎక్స్ కోషెంట్ ఆల్సో నెగిటివ్. సేమ్ మెథడ్, సేమ్ టైప్. 5y square minus 8y minus 4. This expression is called quadratic expression in y, quadratic expression in x. This one 6x square minus x minus 6, x square minus x minus 2. Fifth one 7x square minus 3x minus 4. So use the same process. Here if the quotient is here quotient of x is 10, you have to select these two numbers. Here minus 10 is there, you have to select these two numbers. If 5 is there, you have to select these two numbers. If minus 5 is there, you have to select these two numbers. If 2 plus 2 is there, you have to select these two numbers. So according to the symbol, you have to select these factors.